Hello again. I want to get a little sound sample on my Bruko Baritone before I change the strings on it. I've currently got it strung up with PhD low gCEA strings. I really like these. These are also all unwound. I really like these a lot. For gCEA, I mean, they sound absolutely stunning. But gCEA tuning in this huge of a scale isn't that attractive to me. I just don't play it since switching to the gCEA, and so I'm figuring I need to give it back, something different in tone than what I can get in my other ukuleles, because just comfort wise, the baritone, is a lot more difficult for me to play. Anyways, here's a little sound sample. See what she sounds like with these gCEA PhD strings. A lot of letters, especially for an Alabama boy. Try a little Beethoven. It's definitely a whole lot more ukulele-ish than guitar sounding now, but that ain't always a bad thing. Well, that's getting close to what I know. Let's see here. Let's throw a little bit of Can't Help Falling in Love. won't see me playing no better than that. Let's just leave it there. Thank you for watching.